Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to your lesson 1.2, part 3. Alright, so this is where we stopped. Let me explain number 6 for you. Now we get to start on the grammar. Present perfect. Don't forget that I mentioned at the beginning of the video that I had uploaded a PowerPoint for you guys. So in case you forgot, or in case you really didn't understand the present perfect, you can go ahead and check that out, and it will help you with all your questions and concerns. Now, let's take a look at number 6. Number 6 says, complete these sentences using the words in the brackets. Then check in the text. Okay, so you have a couple of sentences that you have to complete using the words in the brackets that you have right here. Okay, once you have done that, you can check out the rule box on the bottom of this page to help you, just in case you need a little extra push. Okay, let's go to our next page. Our next page, we're starting with number 7. Number 7 says, look at the time phrases in the box, which are usually used with the present perfect, past simple, or both. What you have to do is you have to figure out when would you use each and every one of them. Now, letter B. Letter B says connected speech. Listen and write sentences number 1 through 6. In order to do that, ladies and gentlemen, you need your notebook and extra piece of paper so you can continue this exercise. Because exercise B is linked with letter C. Letter C says in each sentence that you have previously written down, you have to, number 1, underline 2 stressed words. Number 2, circle have and has. Number 3, draw a line to show linking between a final consonant and an initial vowel. Now, don't forget, what is a consonant? Consonants are any other words that are not a vowel. Which are your vowels? Your vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. So your consonants would be any other letter. For example, F, H, B, and so on. Alright? Now, let's take a look at number 8. Number 8 says complete the sentence with the present perfect or past simple of the verb in the box. Include the adverbs in the brackets. So the words that you're using are the ones that you have right here. Okay? And this is your exercise right here. Now let's go back to the top. We're not going to do number 9, and we're going to skip all the way to number 10. Number 10 says word building nouns. What you have to do in number 10, let me read A for you. How would you feel if you were asked to give up the internet for 30 days or speak in public? Choose an adjective from the box or your own ideas. So tell me. Okay, I don't want you just saying frustrated or anxious. Tell me why. Use a complete sentence in order to express your feelings. Okay? Now let's take a look at letter B. Work in partners or in pairs and complete the groups with the noun form in the adjective in the box. Then listen to check. Now, what you're doing is you're completing this with the words from the box in letter A. Don't forget that once you have done this, you can double check your answers by listening to the exercise. Now let's go to number 11, and this would be the last part of our lesson. It says complete the sentence in the personality quiz with the correct noun or adjective form. So this is your personality quiz. Let me read number 1 for you. People often comment on my. What do you think would fit? What word, describing, or an adjective would you use here? Okay, now let me show you the rest of the examples. What I want you guys to do is do letter C. It says for each sentence, decide if you strongly agree, or you disagree. Now, ladies and gentlemen, with this we finish. Don't forget to go and check out our Moodle page because I have a bunch of more exercises for you to continue on to this lesson. Alright, so that would be all.